Welcome. This is Chinkumba Farms in Nyimba, Eastern Province, Zambia. I'm feeding my piglets for the supper this evening. But the main challenge that I've faced is I don't have feeders, so I'll just need to improvise because I've noticed that there's too much wastage on feeds, especially I have brought this piglets in this room today, but as you can see, feed is like all over the room. You see that side, they are able to eat, but unfortunately when they mix water and feed, they can't eat anymore because it becomes dirty now. So too much wastage on feed. Now don't forget that feed is expensive, so we can't go on like this. We can't go on like this. We have just to do something. Look here, the feeds and water is now mixed, so they can't eat like this because it's dirty. So tomorrow I'll just put feeders. At least I make a feeder, a tire feeder. I think that will help. I'll make a tire feeder. I think it will help because wastage just for today is just too much. It's just too much. We can't go on like this.